How to turn off DMs on Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord and then go to the server that you want to disable the DMs for. Say for example this one. Once you're here, click on the three dots at the top right, and under the edit server profile section you will see direct messages, and it says allow direct messages from server members. Click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. This is how you can turn off DMs for a specific server. However, if you want to do this completely, what you can do is click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and from the user settings section click on privacy and safety, and you will see a section that says server privacy default, and you will see an option that says allow direct messages from server members. So click on the toggle next to it to turn it off, and a confirmation window will appear that asks you, do you want to also apply this change to all of your existing servers? Click on yes next to it to confirm. And that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and close the DMs in Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.